Tire tracks, someone was here. This way, it has to lead somewhere. No, they're gone, all gone. I hope this leads somewhere useful eventually. This doesn't look good. Which way now? I have to survive now. The road is secondary. What is that over there? Oh my God. Oh God, this could be me. Yes, fresh dates. Oh, they're all green, right. Hard as a rock. Can't eat these yet. First prickly pear. Let's see. Pads are covered in spines. Fruits on top. Checking for ripeness. These purple red ones are perfectly ripe. Careful now, these glotchids are sneaky. One down, now for the second. What's that dark patch? Water? Please let it be water. Damn it, it's just a shadow! Not again. Water sometimes collects in these stone depressions. All completely dry. Thus, code said surface thick lie. I need to get higher for a better view. Nothing but brown and red. Where is the water? This is getting to me. Gotta be moisture down here somewhere. Completely dry. Damn it. Another spot, please. Nothing. The desert yields no hidden water. Some desert plants indicate water sources. These are drought resistant with deep tap roots. The leaves crumble, no water nearby. Everything here survives without much water. The sun's getting lower. Water will have to wait. Finding shelter for the night is the priority now. These rocks will block the wind and give some protection. Plenty of dry wood and brush here for a basic shelter. First, head east to the ridge, then move south to the canyon, finally circle back to base. Gotta gather what I can before heading out. That debris from yesterday should be right over there. These rocks might hold water. This dotted line shows the path. Yes, this is the best route for tomorrow. Plastic bag might be useful. Mostly intact, can carry supplies. This one isn't too bad, might hold water. A bag and a can. That depression might mean water below. Digging in, this could be it. Still dry, no moisture at all. Bird droppings on this rock. Wildlife is around here somewhere. They must drink nearby. These tracks could lead to a water source. Following them. Fate paw prints. Rabbit, maybe? Following them to a hidden water source. Trail's gone cold. Dead end at this thorn bush. No water source anywhere. Must be getting it from the plants. Another bust. Gotta try a different method. I'll save the rest. This will keep me going. A pangolin. Those scales are distinctive. It's foraging for ants. Doesn't see me. Pangolin meat is real protein. Cactus can't compare. I must catch it. Need to process this before the heat ruins the meat. Scales are tough, but these gaps should work. That's about 2 pounds, enough for survival resource. Sand will do for now. Time to move. Perfect. There could be water in those crevices. I need to get there now. First hollow, dry and dust-filled. Second depression, same result. Checking every possible water point. Whoa, water. Finally found it. Okay, time to inventory the supplies. Water bottles first, then the meat. Saguaro and prickly pear for hydration. Good, this should last the night. Meat's still fresh, slightly warm from carrying it. I'll set it on this clean rock, away from the sand. Must cook it midnight before the desert heat spoils it. I learned that from camping long ago. There we go, a nice strong fire. Starting the next one. 1.5 liters, enough for tonight and tomorrow morning if I ration carefully. Safely cooked now. We're well prepared for the night. I can feel the strength returning already. Desert's alive with predators. Stay aware. Time to get this boot on. Settling in nicely. Fit feels secure, ready for the day. Gotta find water. No, just dry dust. This one looks too dry. No moisture here either. Can't risk it without ID. Nothing from those survival shows. Precious supply diminishes steadily, must find more today. Maybe 4 or 5 left only. Urgency increases. Animal tracks in the sand. They might lead to water. I have to follow carefully. This path could reveal hidden resources. The tracks just end here on this rock. Another dead end. Gotta keep searching. Morning wasted. No results, nothing to sustain survival. Gotta try it by different direction after this rest. The water is... Completely for the cleanest fill, cap it tight. Now for the second one. Hydration finally achieved after days of rationing. Stay down! It's over in a minute. Oh. Now, never thought I'd be doing this, but I have to learn. Rinsing the meat to remove blood and debris. This helps it last longer and cook better. The sun is against us, gotta be quick. Journey back, worth the burden for survival. Most physically demanding day yet, but results incredible. I need to rest before beginning food preparation. All right, let's get this fire going again. Tinder set, time to drill. For a good sear. Slicing the meat thinner for faster cooking. This one is cooling, more raw going on. Keep the line moving, efficient. Meat packed tight, good for the trail. Water's full now, that's vital. Knife secure, and fruits for later. Only what I can carry. This could be my way out, finally! I have to follow them. Tomorrow I'll find the road. Mountain's definitely closer now, maybe half-day walk. I can finally breathe. I'm safe here.
Given.
Thank you.
You are welcome, my friend. This is...
I'm Mistakbad. Yes, I made it. Thank you for everything. Gratefully accept.
This is delicious. So are welcome here.
Clara, we're here. Are you injured?
No, just exhausted.
Here, drink this.
And take this blanket.
You are safe now, Clara.
Thank you.
May you find peace.
Goodbye. Thank you again.